Hello again, or hello for the first time. We are in Red Creek, New York, or at least near it, at the New York Lavender Festival at the old factory farm, which makes me giggle to say, and it smells good even in the parking lot. So yeah, we're gonna pick some lavender, and I have no idea what else, but it should be amazing.
Yeah, we get to try like things.
Yeah.
They make things out of lavender.
They do. I'm just gonna stuff my car with it.
I'm probably a little more excited than I should be about the Lavender Festival, but we got our tickets.
Yeah.
And we're ready to go in. Here we go. There's a big purple tent to check in at. And you had to buy your ticket in advance. And no dogs, because this is actually a farm. It's a private property, open for this event. Got our hand stamps.
Yeah, see?
Ready to go in. That's pretty great.
Mine turned out nice because I'm an albino.
A brochure. I can smell the lavender. We can smell the lavender.
Yeah, it smells amazing right now. Get to lavender wand making.
Wow.
I mean, it's way later than we're gonna be here, but that's still, it's pretty great. Oh wait, we could do that lavender wand making. What time is it? Crap, we just missed it.
This barn says it has a museum in it. Huh, look at this. It's like
a thing.
all kinds of stuff to do here. Lavender picking. You can even pick your own lavender. A wine tasting barn. Okay, and there are a lot of people here. I didn't think it was going to be like this much, this busy, especially since it's predicted to rain today.
Yeah, no,
But yeah, that group just got a picture. There's a guy who's gonna start playing music over there. So a brief overview here. Look at that huge chair. Oh, you can take a carriage ride? And some more of these craft tents. All kinds of items. I have to check out the popcorn. And then lavender out there. So I think we're gonna go pick lavender. They have some fields over this way. And then all this purple. Oh here, look at that. So you got your scissors.
Green, hooray.
And I guess we got a rundown of how to pick lavender. It just started raining. And these are young plants, so they're not picking them for a while. Just so that they get a strong start. And she basically showed us where we want to pick. And oh, here's that diagram she showed us.
Yay.
Oh yeah, you can really see where it's brown. And she said don't cut below where it's brown. You cut up here where it's green. And then it'll be a healthy plant.
Like here?
Yeah, I think that's what she said.
That's pretty good.
How does it smell?
Amazing. I'm gonna make sure I only get the ones that are actually purple.
How does it smell? Good?
Yeah, you can smell it. Even just from these couple ones,
Yeah.
you can totally smell it.
That's a good start.
Yeah.
Finally stopped raining. But how much did she say we could pick? Like
They had
was
guides, but it's like right about like this big. Like if you make a
like a little circle in your hands.
yeah.
Yeah. So like we can get a little bouquet. Bouquet, and it was about $8
Yeah, seven.
for. Oh, $7?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Some of these plants are picked over us because this is the last day of the 2-weekend festival. But there's still some here. That's because this is for the farm use. And then there's some more over that way that we were told that we were informed that they smell amazing. So we're gonna at least go get a few of those. Yeah, it's really purple.
Yeah. She's right. It smells really, really good.
Yeah.
Cute. They're so cute. Okay. There. That looks good, right? Like,
Yeah, that's nice.
the good length for it.
Yeah, yeah, because we can put that in a little vase.
I know. It's gonna be so cute. Like that. two kinds of lavender, one slightly taller than the other.
Man, here's some white lavender.
Yeah, I mean it's lavender, right?
Yeah, looks like it. I mean, it looks just like other plants.
Yeah. Smell like lavender? Can we cut it? It's in like the cutting section.
Yeah.
Here, I'll cut this one because it's got like a big stem. We'll plop it right in there. There. He's our focal point.
Yeah. He's like, I gotta be me. I think you have a great bundle. Good job.
Beautiful.
So enough of the harvesting business though, because that's beautiful. I think we should go on to foods and things and see what the booths have here.
Sounds good.
That
I'll
sound
just
good?
wander around smelling my lavender like a weird.
You're gonna sniff all the smell out of it.
No, it'll be fine. It'll make more.
It says this is the labyrinth, so you can walk through on the gravel. Yep, she's taking the shortcut. So we looked through a couple shops here, and we got some of this honey from Maxwell's honeybee farm. That's right there. They have a whole bunch of things. They actually told us the lavender honey is infused.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, she was like, you can't tell bees where they want to go. and so that cleared up a lot of mystery for me. Lavender cat. There's handmade towels over there, and then a pottery place. We might go and get a little leaf we can shove in the ground. And she has some nice pottery and earrings and things over there. And then, oh, I forgot, there's some necklaces and stuff, some ceramic necklaces and stuff over there, and this one next to the honey. And those were really nice. We might have to buy an ornament over there that they had.
It's problematic because everything's so nice.
Someone in there making a wreath. They have wreath classes here, so you can make a lavender wreath. That's amazing. I wish we had more time today.
I know. There's syrup tastings over there too. Maybe we should go in that tent.
Oh yeah. Maybe we should go in and do some wine tasting. Want a glass of wine?
Yes, always.
5 are ours, with the bottom 2 being our hard cider.
Awesome. Oh yay, look it. Themed. They're themed. It makes me so happy.
So we just did a wine tasting in their wine tasting barn. You did the wine tasting actually.
I did.
It's 5 for 5 tastings.
Yeah.
For $5, yeah.
I tried all the ones that were from here.
Yeah. And then
They're all lavender themed.
Yeah, we got a bottle of wine.
See the label? It's
Yeah.
very pretty.
It's infused with lavender. And then they had some other stuff in there, like some syrups and there's shirts and some oil for like pizza and things.
Oh, nice.
And they had some beef jerky and you know, of course their wines, and then like some wines from Ashley Lynn Vineyards and Thousand Island. Pretty nice. So yeah, it's pretty much an abbreviated version of what's in their regular gift shop here. Which is that was interesting to walk through. A lavender sweet stand here with some baked goods, lavender coffee. Oh, they have a lavender brownie, lavender sugar cookie.
No, I'm gonna get the.
Oh wow. Looks like it's run by the Red Creek New York Historical Association. That's pretty awesome. So
I got a flag pin.
oh, you did?
Yeah,
And then you got what kind of tea did you get? Hibiscus?
Heavenly hibiscus herbal tea with hibiscus, lavender, and rose hips.
Oh, nice. Rose hips. Ooh la la.
Like they put a little piece of lavender in it. It's so
Oh
cute.
yeah. There's some food hidden over here. Fried chicken, artichoke stands, beans and greens there. And there's a hot dog stand, Zweigels. And then past that, fried dough and funnel cakes and some other stuff. The musician down there is pretty awesome. It's a nice relaxing atmosphere. Plus there's lavender.
Yeah.
Like this is like the, you know, most chill place. We drove in from the city and things were like this, and now we're so chill.
Yeah, I had no idea this was gonna be such a thing.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's huge.
I was thinking like, oh, we come, we pick some lavender, it's gonna smell nice, it'll be beautiful. This is like a whole, this is in fact a festival.
Yeah, there's like 4 or 5 like food truck type things, and everything else we showed you. So if you're thinking about coming, it's outside of Red Creek. I don't think you can lose coming here. It was $6
$6
ticket, and then to pick lavender it was $7 plus tax.
Yeah.
So
and you
not
can
a
pick
bad
way more
day.
than this. I just wanted this because I think it's perfect.
Yeah, there's plenty here, and we're sitting in their crop right now. So we are just taking pictures. Everyone's been taking pictures over here all day. So hope you guys enjoyed this coming along. We appreciate it. If you did like it, give us a thumbs up down below, and we have plenty other garden type things and unique festivals, so check out that playlist at the end of this video. So thanks a lot. You have anything else to say?
No, this smells so amazing. I'm just gonna sit here and breathe in and out for a while.
As soon as we pulled into the little parking lot over there, it was just like, whoa, lavender. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Take care.